Here's how I make a t-shirt mockup in Photoshop. Add t-shirt image to Photoshop. Select any selection tool. Select the t-shirt, Ctrl+J to copy the selected layer. Name to layer light and shadow. Convert light and shadow to Smart Object. Change the contrast, saturation, and level setting as shown for shadow and light. Add new fill layer for t-shirt color. Add your design and adjust it. Double-click on color fill. You can choose any color for the t-shirt. When it looks good, export the mockup. But I know much simple and faster way using Modor. Select any mockup. Just upload and add the design on t-shirt. Change the color. Download.